Hey everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my very casual appearance. I'm in pajamas and I just took a bath. I really don't feel well today. Just got like a really bad migraine towards the end of work. Now I'm nauseous, which is great because I have a procedure. I'm getting an endoscopy done tomorrow. So I'm sure that's playing into it. But anyway, I just want to film my FabFitFun unboxing. A lot of people got it before me, and I think that's if you're like a select member, which I think just means that you paid for the year like up front. So I definitely need to do that. But I absolutely love the box. It's yellow, which I think is perfect for spring. Absolutely love this woman right here. Right there, that is definitely what I feel like doing, putting on an eye mask and just laying down. And it says in support of girl rising. Don't necessarily know what that means, but that's cool. Eskay beauty, Murad, KORRES, a lot of cool stuff. And actually this time around I did not select. I think I had two selections, maybe a beauty one and then a jewelry one, and I didn't do it in time, but I actually think it'll be cool to see what they picked for me based on my preferences and the little quiz I answered. Again, FabFitFun. This seems like a huge heavy box. Got the little booklet. I think this tells me what's inside, maybe? Maybe not. Oh, it looks like I got a HelloFresh cook-up, a fresh start, $50 off, $25 off your first 2 boxes, so $25 each. I actually already have one of those. A nice little sticker and some tissue paper. Here's a little sticker. Oops, I think I ripped it. I did rip it. Oh, goodness. Well, it was cute. Got quite a few stuff. A lot of stuff in here. Sorry, it's really hard to show. I have this Brenner Los Angeles little cute mint package. I think this is the jewelry item. And it says love. There's another little bar necklace. They're really into these bar necklaces. But yeah, I think that's cute. Hopefully it's not top heavy. I feel like I already see it being top heavy, but maybe not. I like that. It's nice. We have this ISH lip statement palette. I like getting these kind of makeup brands I've never heard of. I think that's really cool. This is just like plastic cover that I can take off. I'm not a huge lip palette fan, and those kind of just look really basic colors, but I'll play around with it. Next I have this Rachel Pally. It looks like a bag. Or actually I'm not really sure what it is. That looks like the outer bag. Yes, it is a bag. That's the dust bag. Ooh, so this is exciting. And there it is, one of those little fold over ones. I don't love these fold over ones, but I actually think it's really pretty, but not something I would ever pick out. This mustard color is so in right now, so I actually really enjoy that. Next is this number 15 Fresh Linen Mandarin Orange. It has a lot of different things. And what is this, a candle? Oh yeah, exciting, it's a candle. Ooh, it smells really good. It's giving me a headache with this migraine, but I love the rose gold kind of bronze packaging there, so that's exciting. The next, ooh, I even get a mask like the girl on the box. It says, with love from Texas, free people. Ooh, it's free people, really. Free people and Understated. Seems like a really thick mask here. Oh, I think it has, yeah, it has some like gel inside, so it's actually like a treatment-esque type mask. Can't put it on, but that is super cute. I'm excited about that. Oh my god, there are just so many products in here, like a million. This is the Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Makeover Concealing Ridge Filter. Keratin Peptide Infused Pentavitin Moisture Magnet. Wow, I've never heard of this brand. That sounds super interesting. It's a concealer in treatment. I think this is for the nails. A nail concealer is what I believe they mean. I hope no one's putting that on their face. The next thing, oh, they pictured this on the box too, so I love how the box is just super specific to the actual products. I love that. It's not just like cutesy, which I would have been fine with too, but it's actually specific to it. I saw this on here on the box, and I was like, that's a weird picture to have, but I think it's a massager, which I definitely need. Oh my god, I can even feel it through all these thick layers. That is nice, and the handles feel really, really nice, so I'll stop playing around with it, but I think that's cool. Next thing is this Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. That's cool. Is it like a... So it doesn't have sunscreen, which is kind of annoying, but basically I think it's just a moisturizer. That's nice. Next thing is this Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. That's perfect because I've actually been needing an exfoliator. Cute little like sample size, but definitely, you know, a good sample size. And the last thing in here is this KORRES Body Butter, and it's Guava. I love the packaging. And it does have a safety seal. Doesn't really smell like anything. Okay, it does. I think it does. I don't really know what guava smells like, but it smells good. Maybe a little even like spicy, or maybe that is what a guava smells like, but it is kind of intense now that it kind of, I don't know, my nose is working here, but yeah, how many products is that? 1, 2, 3. So that is 10 products for only 40 bucks for your first one, or 50 in total, and I think you get a little off if you do the yearly one. So this is a fabulous, fabulous box. I don't know why I haven't done this before. I love the packaging just from the minute you get it. I love it. I love that it has some customization, some not, that it's kind of a surprise. The boxes are always gorgeous, always well packed, so many different kinds of things. I love that it's not just makeup or just one thing, and I'm gonna use all these products here. Like, I'm freaking in love with it. It has a little booklet. I do wish it told you the prices of everything in an actual card. I did see a card in here, I thought. Or no, maybe it was just the other card. But yeah, the tissue paper says FabFitFun, cute little sticker. I'm in love with these boxes. Like, this is only my second one. And I'm absolutely, absolutely head over heels with this box. Like, I'm obsessed. So if you can't tell, I like it and I recommend it. I will leave my link down below if you want to use my link, but you're more than welcome to, or you could also go to the site yourself. My parents are home, so I'm gonna get going, but anyway, hope you guys are all doing well, and until next time, bye everyone.